Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another tutorial video, and today I'm going to show you how to search the specific country and the big company in the specific country. Like any country, how we can search or how we can make the filter the big companies, for example UK, Australia, foreign country, any country. So we can search by LinkedIn and we can promote our sales whatever we have the company. So first of all, you have to be activate the premium account. For example, you can see on the screen. CC director nave, you can save this one and you can send the direct message to them also. This is very useful if you subscribe the Sales Navigator, so you can access your customer. You can sales the product to them as much as the whole over the country. So this is the way we can. So if you want to send the message to direct, then message, you see subject and the type. So in this way you can connect the people, you can connect the any country from this Sales Navigator. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for the watching.